Hello everyone, we are Team WCP27 doing the project for the Roberson Museums. The museum has a very amazing motor train layout of the Binghamton areas in 1950s. This year they asked us to build and reconfigure some system that can add more realistic to the motor train. The first requirement is to add more different buttons to the existing lightings in the buildings. In the system, we use a very common hardware which is the Arduino to generate the buttons.
The second requirement for our project was a drive-in simulation display. Previously, the museum only had a static display which kept a constant picture. We modified this using a Raspberry Pi, a Pico projector, and 2 push buttons. The Raspberry Pi would register the inputs that were sent from the push buttons that were used by the user. These 2 push buttons controlled the picture, which would cycle a still image, and the second push button would then begin the sequence to play.
So, a few of the things that we learned along the way was, for one, we had to learn an entirely different programming language and learn Python so that we can program the Raspberry Pi, which is controlling all of our videos. The other thing that we had to deal with quickly was dealing with pieces that were already installed, as this is the 4th Watson Capstone project to be in the Roberson Museum. It also helps re-solidify some experiences that we already had, which is programming with Arduinos and doing 3D CAD drawings.